Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and our today's topic is how to draw Radha Krishna's face using Python in this occasion of Janmashtami. Okay, so let's come to my screen to know more about this. Okay. So guys, welcome to my screen. So I have already developed, the code of the Radha and Krishna's face is already done using Python. So here is a 894 lines of code. Okay, so I will play first and I will show you the result. So this is, you can view this, that how this Radha's face is going on, and now this is the Krishna's face. Wow. Okay, this is the original output of Radha Krishna's face, right? So now come to the program. So import turtle, then wn equal to turtle.screen. You have to set up the screen with the width and height 768 into 768, and you have to give the title and the background color. Okay, and the turtle speed is 3. Okay, the turtle speed is 3. You can increase the speed as per your choice. Okay, and here hashtag Radha, that is you have to create the Radha's face by using the turtle, that moving the turtle into the forward, speed, up, down. Okay, pen size. So this is the actual code from where the exactly Radha and Krishna's face will draw. Okay, so I will be sharing you the code with this. Will be sharing you the code in the description. Also, you can email me. Okay, I will share the email in the description also for the code, and you can see the final result or the output once again. That when I play over here, this is the Radha's face with green color. It is drawing, right, using Python. So this is very interesting and amazing code. Okay. Yeah. Well, once again I have showed you the output. Okay, so this is the output, guys. Yeah, this is the actual output of Radha Krishna's face. Okay, for the code you can check from the description also. You can email me for the codes. Okay guys, so this is up to our video today. So guys, this is our full video to how to draw a Radha Krishna's face, right? Okay, so if you guys like this video, then do subscribe, share and comment. Okay, for the code I will add in the description. For the code, the link I have added in the description. Also you can email me for the code also. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Also happy Janmashtami to all.